Hey everyone! If you're a designer, video editor, or creative of any kind, you're in for a treat. Adobe just dropped a massive lineup of updates at Adobe Max 2024 with new tools that could completely change the way we create. Whether you're into Photoshop, Illustrator, or video editing with Premiere Pro, Adobe's added some next-level AI-powered magic that's got everyone talking. So let's dive right into these game changers. Let's kick things off with Photoshop. The new updates here are all about efficiency and innovation. Adobe introduced the Generative workspace, now in beta. Imagine being able to generate textures, backgrounds, or completely new elements on the fly. This feature makes Photoshop even more dynamic, letting you ideate and test out concepts much faster. And it doesn't stop there. The new Remove tool now includes what Adobe calls distraction removal, which helps you get rid of unwanted objects or background elements almost instantly. It's perfect for quick touch-ups, and Adobe's AI is making this tool smarter every day. All right, video editors, this one's for you. Premiere Pro's new Generative Extend feature is a total game changer. Have you ever wished you could add a few more frames to a video without making it look choppy? Well, now you can. Generative Extend uses Adobe's Firefly AI to seamlessly add frames to the start or end of clips. It's perfect for creating smoother transitions or just adding that perfect cinematic touch. Plus, the Firefly video model in Adobe's web app lets you generate video clips from text prompts. Yes, you heard that right. Just type out a scene description and Firefly will create it for you. Perfect for those who need quick B-roll or filler clips. Lightroom fans, there's good news for you too. Adobe's made it faster and smarter. The Generative Remove tool is now standard with better selection and object detection, making it so much easier to get flawless photos. And if that wasn't enough, Quick Actions is now in early access. It suggests personalized edits tailored to each photo. Oh, here's something completely new. Project Neo. This beta tool is like a bridge between 2D and 3D design. For those of us who usually work in Photoshop or Illustrator, Neo lets us create and edit 3D shapes in a browser. You can take your designs to the next level by adding a third dimension without needing to switch to complex software. You can make 3D artwork, tweak it, and then open it as vectors in Illustrator to continue editing. This is Adobe's way of making 3D accessible to everyone. So which tool are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. I'm personally blown away by the Generative workspace in Photoshop and Firefly for video editing. Adobe's really raising the bar this year. If you want to stay updated on more Adobe features and design news, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. I'll be doing deep dives on some of these tools soon. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.